జూమ్ చేయండి జూమ్ చేయాలి జూమ్ చేయాలి So good morning all of you. Small interruption due to technical problem. Online lo endaku telisindi ilanti jarugutu untayi. Just a gap. Now in previous class we discussed integration by parts. Integral first function into second function is equal to first into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first integral of second total dx. Okay, this is the formula. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదనుకోవాలి సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదనుకోవాలని ఇంపార్టెంట్. ద రూల్ ఈస్ ఐలేట్ రూల్ అని మాట్లాడాడు. ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ, లాగరిథం, ఆల్జీబ్రిక్, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అండ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్. అయితే చాలా మంది డౌట్ నాకు నేను కూడా మెసేజ్ చేశారు, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది whether we have to consider an algebraic function or exponential అంటారు. ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ అంటే పవర్ లో వేరియబుల్ ఉండాలి. e పవర్ x, a పవర్ x, 2 పవర్ x, 3 పవర్ x. x స్క్వేర్ పవర్ x స్క్వేర్ అంటే పవర్ is a constant, so we have to consider this one as algebraic function only. ఓకే, అయితే మరి ఇలాంటి ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి? సపోజ్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ log of sin x ఉందనుకో, ఇది ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ కిందకి వస్తుందా లేకపోతే లాగరిథమిక్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అది ఏది కిందకి రాదు. వి కాంట్ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ దిస్ వన్, దీన్ని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయలేము. అలా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయలేము. e టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ sin x, e టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కనుక్కోలేము. ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ కిందకి వచ్చినా మనం చేయలేము వాళ్ళ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో అవి వేరుగా ఉంటుంటే మనకి దాని గురించి అన్నెసరీగా మీరు ఆలోచించి ట్రై చేయొద్దు, వాటి గురించి గూగుల్లో సెర్చ్ చేయొద్దు, అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, నౌ coming to the point, yesterday we discussed sin inverse x, cos inverse x or something. Now we are going to discuss some more problems on inverse trigonometry, that is x sin inverse x. In the previous class we discussed sin inverse x. Sin inverse x can write as sin inverse x into 1. So in the same way x into sin inverse x. How to integrate this one? X into sin inverse x, and one more question, x square into sin inverse x dx. Okay, let us see the guys. See guys, x into sin inverse x. So this is inverse trigonometry function, first one, and this one is algebra. Is inverse trigonometry, x is algebra. Inverse trigonometry and algebra, these are the two functions in the as integral. So which one comes first? Inverse trigonometry. So we have to consider inverse trigonometry as first function. అంతేగాని వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఆర్డర్లో మీరు తీసుకోవద్దు. తీసుకుంటే అప్పటికే ఆన్సర్ రాదు. మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ చెప్పాను, సీరియల్ లా వస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, now sin inverse x into x, this is the first function and second function. Sin inverse x, first function into integral of x, x square by 2 minus integral of derivative of first 1 by root of 1 minus x square integral of x, x square by 2 dx. ఏం చేసేస్తాం అనుకోకండి, ఇక్కడ ఇదే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. sin inverse x into x square by 2 ప్లస్ రాస్తాను, జాగ్రత్త గుర్తు చేయండి, ప్లస్ 1 by 2 of minus x square by 1 minus x square dx. So this part is plays very key role for this type of indefinite integration. By parts లో ఇదే చాలా జాగ్రత్త చేయాలి. డినామినేటర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, 1 minus x square. What about numerator? Just minus x square. Now you can add 1 and subtract 1. Now this will be same as it is, and half into this can be split into 2, 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square dx minus, okay, okay, now that is sin inverse x into x square by 2 plus half into root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ డౌట్ వస్తుంది చాలా మంది, how to find this integration? Root of 1 minus x square, this is just of the form of root of a square minus x square. Okay, now the answer is sin inverse x into x square by 2 plus half into What about this integration? Root of a square minus x square formula, x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus x by 2 a square by 2 of sin inverse of x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x plus a constant. Okay, you can simplify it. If it is half into half, 1 by 4 sin inverse x minus half sin inverse x, so it is simple. Choose for it. Okay, now same model ante valli ide anukone, it is different. This one is different. Ikkada by parts is single step, but the integration part is very important. Just you see here, sin inverse x we have to consider as first function and x square as second function. Now first function into integral of x square x cube by 3 minus integral of derivative of first function 1 by root of 1 minus x square into what about integral of x square x cube by 3 dx. Okay, now that is sin inverse x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 of x cube by root of 1 minus x square dx. How to find this integration? It's also a simple question, because denominator is x square, numerator is x cube, so you can write x cube as x square into x. Okay, now sin inverse x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 of x square into x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now 1 minus x square is equal to, let it be t square or t would approach, but root is the better calculation part will be very easy. If you consider as t square, then minus 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. Now 2 gets cancelled, so minus x dx. Now you see sin inverse x into x cube by 3 minus x, you take minus x dx as t dt. Of course it will be plus 1 by 3 dt of x square. What about x square? From this you can write x square is just nothing but 1 minus t square. So 1 minus t square by root of t square into t dt. So t root of t square gets cancelled. Now it is sin inverse x into x cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 of t minus t cube by 3 plus a constant c, where t is equal to root of 1 minus x square or 1 minus x square to the power of 1 by 2. Similarly, you can consider whatever it is. ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకొని ఆల్రెడీ నేను క్లాస్ లో చేసిన x square, you can take x cube x power for different problems. Okay, జల్దీ రాసుకోండి. Next, coming to one more question. The same procedure you can continue x cos inverse x, x tan inverse x, whatever it is, x secant inverse x. And try చేయట్లేదు మీరు. I will explain one more question in tan inverse x by 1 plus 1 x square. Next one, integral tan inverse x by x square dx. Tan inverse x by x square. There is no formula in indefinite integration or definite whatever it is, u by v formula. Just you have to convert them into uv formula. There is no uv w formula also. Okay, now we can write tan inverse x into 1 by x square. Now we have to consider this one as first and this is to second function. Now first function into integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second dx. Okay, derivative of first, integral of second, and we have to integrate the multiplying of these two. Now that is minus tan inverse x by x plus integral dx by x of 1 plus x square. Now it is how we can do this one, just by using partial fractions. So partial fraction laga cheyochu, కొద్దిగా బ్రెయిన్ వాడి సింపుల్ గా చేసుకోవచ్చు. పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే we have to consider this one as a by x and this is irreducible, so bx plus c by 1 plus x square. అంత ప్రాబ్లం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కి సింపుల్ గా చేసేయచ్చు. జస్ట్ థింక్ సార్, ఆలోచించండి జాగ్రత్తగా. We observe the denominator. What is denominator there? 1 plus x square, and the numerator 1 plus x square and x. So I am going to take the numerator as 1 plus x square minus x square. Now it will be very easy. Now split into 2, you will get to 1 by x minus x by 1 plus x square dx. So 1 by x integration is log x, and this one is half log 1 plus x square plus c. So f dash x by f of x form. Okay, and this one is just nothing but tan inverse x by x. So this will be the answer for this question. Okay, I will give one more question. Just you see, integral sin inverse x minus cos inverse x by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x dx. Sin inverse x minus cos inverse x by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Okay, so let us see this question. Of course, what about the denominator? That is nothing but pi by 2. Of course, limits istar anukondi, that value x should be between minus 1 to plus 1. So that is sin inverse x minus cos inverse x by pi by 2. Now that is 2 by pi of sin inverse x minus cos inverse x. Split చేసి చేద్దామా? అంత అవసరం లేదు. Just very simple. Cos inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Am I right? Now that is 2 by pi of integral sin inverse x dx. Okay. Now you see, just a moment. Step and explain. That is 2 by pi of integral sin inverse x minus pi by 2 plus sin inverse x dx. Okay, now cos inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So minus pi by 2 plus sin inverse x. Now sin inverse x plus sin inverse x, that is 2 sin inverse x. So that is 2 by pi of 2 sin inverse x minus pi by 2 dx. Now split into 2, that is 2 by pi into 2, that is 4 by pi into integral sin inverse x dx minus integral 1 dx. 2 by pi into pi by 2. Now what about the formula? As yesterday class we discussed just sin inverse x. What about integral sin inverse x? X sin inverse x, I think it is plus root of 1 minus x square. Am I right? X sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. Already problem chesam kabatti example aithe we have to do IP and exam lo, but objective exam it is better to remember this formula. If not, it's a simple step vachesthundi. Minus 1 integration is x plus a constant c. ఓకే, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లో జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాల్సిన మోడల్ ఇది. నౌ కమింగ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ట్రై చేయండి మీరు. ఇంటిగ్రల్ x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. X sin inverse x by, and another problem, integral x into tan inverse x by 1 plus x square to the power of 3 by 2. Yeah. Okay. Now how to do this? Just it's very simple. Sin inverse x is equal to t. 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to t. Now sin inverse x, nothing but t, dx by root of 1 minus x square dt. Then what about x? From this we can write x is nothing but sin t. So the problem reduces of the form t into sin t. Just a single step problem. So this one is considered to be first one and second one. So first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first integral of second, that is minus t cos t plus sin t plus a constant. What about t? T is nothing but minus sin inverse x cos t. Because x is equal to sin t, then cos t is equal to root of 1 minus sin square t, root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square, okay, plus sin t. Sin t is nothing but x plus a constant. Now coming to the second one, tan inverse x. So you can write like this, x into tan inverse x by denominator. You see the denominator 1 plus x square to the power of 3 by 2. Now I am going to write this one as root of 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. Now you can split into 2. Now let it be tan inverse x is equal to t. Now x is equal to tan t. What about its derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to t. Now the question reduces to integral x. What is x? Tan t, sin inverse tan inverse x, that is t, dx by 1 plus x square dt, and we have to observe there is one more thing, that is root of 1 plus x square, that is root of 1 plus tan square, that is integral tan t into t by root of 1 plus t square means secant square. So it is just nothing but secant t dt. So tan t, sin by cos, this is 1 by cos, cos gets cancelled. Now it is just nothing but tan sin t into t dt. Let it be first function and second function. Same. Previous question mode vachestumadi. Now the answer is minus t cos t plus sin t plus a constant. So what we have considered, tan x is equal to t, tan t is equal to x. Just to draw a diagram, it is very easy. Now x means x by 1 is equal to tan t. So this is x1 and this one is root of 1 plus x square. Now minus t. What is t? Tan inverse x. And what about cos t? 1 by root of 1 plus x square, sin t, x by root of 1 plus x square plus a constant. Okay. So these are all the problems of inverse trigonometry based మీద చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఈసారి పవర్స్ ఉంటే ఎలా చేస్తాం? పవర్స్ అంటే ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీ పవర్స్ కానీ Okay. Suppose x to the power of n into log x ఇచ్చారు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో ఇవన్నీ ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ బేస్ మీద అవన్నీ ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ x to the power of n into log x. Of course log x to the power of n కూడా చేయొచ్చు మనం, బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ a reduction formula అంటారు. అది మీకు లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాసెస్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. పవర్ n ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ x పవర్ n log x అని వస్తుంది. Okay, so this will be the first function and this is second function because logarithm Euler rule prakaram as per L means logarithm, this is the algebraic function. Now first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first log x derivative 1 by x integral of second function. Okay, ఎప్పుడు మీరు బై పార్ట్స్ అప్లై చేసినా ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ చదువుకుంటున్నారంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ. నౌ దట్ ఈస్ log x into x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. You see here is 1 by x and is x to the power of n plus 1. X power n plus 1 means x power n into x. So let's cancel. So that is minus 1 by n plus 1 of x to the power of n dx. Now the answer is log x into x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus a constant c. అదే logarithm కి x power n అనుకోండి, it's different. Next one, x into sin square x. How to do this type of integration? X into sin square x. So which one we have to consider as first function, second function? Of course, as I told earlier, this is algebraic function. So one trigonometry second, but you can't proceed the problem because first function is x integral of sin square x. చేయాలంటే జస్ట్ మళ్ళీ సపరేటింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి ప్రాబ్లం. సో బెటర్ మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం జస్ట్ కొద్దిగా సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం క్వశ్చన్. sin square x డైరెక్ట్లీ we didn't have any formula for integral sin square x అంటే of course మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ గా చేయొచ్చు. సో sin square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. సరే 1 minus cos 2x కదా, 1 minus cos 2x అంటే 2 sin square x కదా. So 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Now is split into two fractions. One is half into x dx, another one is half into x cos 2x dx. Now simple, it is x square by 2 minus half into, this is first function and this one is second function. Now x into integral of second function sin 2x by 2 integral of derivative of first integral of second sin 2x by 2 dx. That is x square by 4 minus x into sin 2x by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 8 వస్తుంది. 2 into 2 4. Of course sin 2x integration is cos 2x by 2. Again we have 1 more 2. So that 1 by 8 minus into minus plus, but sin integration is again minus cos. So it is minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus a constant c. Okay. Now one more question. Suppose the problem is like this. X into secant square x. We can say do this problem because x into this will be the first function, this is second function. ఎందుకని sin square అనుకోలేదు? We didn't have any formula directly integral sin square x, but we have formula x into integral secant square x minus derivative of x integral of secant square x dx అని చేసేయచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా. We have formula secant square x అంటే tan x. అందుకని sin square x అని ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫై చేసాం, బట్ ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ x into integral secant square x tan x minus 1 into tan x dx. So the answer is x into tan x minus log mod secant x plus integral secant square x అంటే అదే కదా ఇంటిగ్రల్ tan x. నెక్స్ట్ one more question, x into secant 2x minus 1 by secant 2x plus 1. How to do this question? That is integral x into secant 2x can be replaced 1 by cos 2x. So 1 by cos 2x minus 1. LCM is cos 2x. So we have 1 minus cos 2x, and denominator is also LCM is cos 2x, numerator is 1 plus cos 2x. So cos 2x gets cancelled. So we have the remaining 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. That is x into 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x. This is 2 cos square x. So tan square x. X into tan square x dx. But directly we can't apply by parts because there is no formula for tan square x. Okay, ఎందుకని ఫస్ట్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ మస్ట్ గా ఇంటిగ్రల్ వస్తుంది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ tan square x అనేది మనకి తెలియదు కదా. సో బెటర్ యు రైట్, యు హావ్ టు సింప్లిఫై. tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Now you can split into 2, x into secant square x dx minus x dx. So this is the previous problem. So directly I am going to write the answer for this one. That is x tan x minus log mod secant x minus x integration x square by 2 plus a constant c. అలాగే suppose the problem is like this, integral x cube into cos of x square dx. డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు బై పార్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు, ఇక్కడ కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్. సో cos of x square always it should be cos x only. cos x ఉంటేనే ప్రాబ్లం చేయగలం, బట్ here is cos of x square. Now I am going to write like this, x cube can be represented as x square into x cos of x square dx. Now x square is equal to t, 2x dx. So half into t into cos t dt. It is reduces into simply, that is half into, this is first function, second function. First into second minus derivative of first, integral of second. That is half into t sin t plus cos t plus a constant where t is equal to x square. సో పవర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలా మనం ట్రై చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా బై పార్ట్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a square minus x square. Already మీకు ఫార్ములా తెలుసు, you know the formula, and I think you know the proof also. What about this proof? You can substitute x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Okay? ఇలానే చేయాల్సిన లేదు. We can apply by parts. How? You see, root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. Let it be I. This is another different model. You see, of course, the problem we can do by substitution. Whether x is equal to a sin theta substitution, I think we prove చేస్తుంటారు. Okay? అలా కాకుండా సింపుల్ గా ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. Root of a square minus x square into 1. So let it be first function and this one is second function. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది డౌట్ వస్తుంది. ఇది algebraic function కదా, ఇది algebraic function. Why you are considering this one as 1 and this one as second function? అలా ఏమి అలా రెండు ఫంక్షన్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మన ఇష్టం ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు అనుకుంటే కాదు. ఇంటిగ్రల్ దేనికైతే సింపుల్గా వస్తుంది చూసుకుంటారు ప్రాబ్లమ్ బట్టి. ఓకే, సో జనరల్గా 1 అనేదాన్ని సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ కింద కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. So first function, see I is equal to I ante integral of this one, remember this one. First function into integral of second x, integral of derivative of first. What about the derivative of first? 1 by 2 root a square minus x square into minus 2x into integral of second x dx. So 2 gets cancelled. That is x into root of a square minus x square. ఇక్కడ నేను minus x square minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx. ఓకేనా? Minus x square as it is గా ఉంచాను. ఇందాక ప్రాబ్లం మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. Because here the denominator is a square minus x square and it is only minus x square. So the next step I am going to write a square minus x square minus a square. అంటే ఒక a square add చేసి subtract చేయాలి. Now that is x into root of a square minus x square. You observe this one. Just to split into two fractions. One will be like root of a square minus x square dx. What about the other one? Minus into minus plus a square of integral dx by root of a square minus x square. Just split into two fractions. One is a square minus x square by root. అంటే x by root x model root x అని రాస్తాం. ఇక్కడ a square side రాసేసుకుంటే 1 by root of a square minus x. Now it's very important point is this a different point. It came first time మనకు చూడండి I is equal to root of a square minus x square. Now you see what about this one? This is also I. Now it comes to this side. So I plus I. Okay? Now x into root of a square minus x square plus a square of what about this one? Sin inverse of x by a. So this is nothing but 2i. Okay? Now I is equal to this is all 2i kada. So x by 2 of root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 of sin inverse of x by a plus a constant c. Similarly, you can prove the remaining two also. Root of a square plus x square, root of x square minus a square. Also same process. Of course, the proof is very important for our intermediate purpose, board exams purpose. The proof is very important. You can do the same proof in by parts model, or you can substitute by using x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, any of the two kinds you can do. So you try yourself the remaining two formula, root of a square plus x square, root of x square minus a square. Okay, let us come into the next model. In by parts there is next model, and I don't want to discuss the title as type 1, type 2, type 3. Just to all are coming to the part of by parts only, e to the power of root x. How to do these type of questions? E to the power of root x, sin of root x, log of root x. How to do these kind? Okay. Let root x is equal to t or x is equal to t square. Now dx is equal to 2t dt. Now the question reduces to e to the power of t. What is dx? 2t dt. Yeah. Okay. Before going to do this one, I will explain one more thing. తర్వాత చెప్తామంటారా? అంటే there is a shortcut for this type of questions. ఒకసారి వినండి అది మీరు ఈ తర్వాత రాసుకుంటారు కానీ జస్ట్ లిసన్. e పవర్ x వచ్చేసినప్పుడు సపోజ్ e పవర్ x ఇంటూ ఎక్స్, e పవర్ x ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, e పవర్ x ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఇలా ఉంటే ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. చెప్తాను, ప్రూఫ్ కూడా చెప్తాను చూడండి. జస్ట్ e పవర్ x ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ x and then the derivative of x 1. First one is plus, other one is minus. I will repeat. So e power x into is x square. So x square its derivative 2x, its derivative 2. X square its derivative 2x, its derivative 2. So first one is plus, minus, plus. So e power x, x cube, x cube కాబట్టి x cube derivative 3x square, its derivative 6x, its derivative 6. First one is plus minus plus minus plus a constant e power x of x to the power of 4. So x power 4, 4x cube, 12x square, 24x, 24 plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, so this is ఎలా అంటే జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ టేక్ ఇప్పుడు మీకు దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చిన e power t into t అనేది జస్ట్ చేద్దాం ఎలా చేయాలి దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ t and this is because this is algebraic and this one is exponential. So first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first one integral of second. Now that is 2 into t into e power t. E power t integration is e power t. Now take e power t common. We have t minus 1 plus a constant c. So you see the integral of t e power t is just nothing but e power t into t minus 1. So that is the answer is 2 into e power root x minus 1 plus a constant c. So you can take we call it 2 times integrate cheyalani cheptanu sir explain chestanu. So take a screenshot, I will explain one more time. The shortcut is exclusive for e power x into some x or x square x power n only. Okay? ఇంకా యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఈ పవర్ ఏఎక్స్ అని తీసుకొని కూడా మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు ఫార్ములాగా. ఓకే, నౌ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. I will explain this one also, just listen. Integral e power x into x square dx. This is first one, second. First function into integral of second. Derivative of first 2x, integral of second. Now it is x square into e power x minus 2 into x into e power x. The previous one. Okay, x into e power x. Multi by parts apply cheyali. So that is x square into e power x minus 2 into just we did it x into e power x. What about the formula? E power x of x minus 1 plus a constant. Now you can take e power x common. What you will get here? X square minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 plus a constant. That's why whenever e power x into x to the power of n, so we can write e power x into x to the power of n, its derivative. Next again its derivative. So plus, minus, plus and so on. Okay? Now same one question. Integral sine of root x dx. Sine of root x. Same one procedure. Root x is equal to t. Now x is equal to t square. Dx is equal to 2t dt. Maybe it is sine or log. So this is sine t. What about dx? 2t dt. Now 2 into t into sine t. This will be the first one and this will be the second function. Now what about the answer? 2 into t into minus cos t minus integral of derivative of first integral of second. That is 2 into minus t cos t plus sine, that is minus 2t. What about t? Root x into cos of root x plus 2 into sine of root x plus a constant. Next one. Next, one more question. The root model. ఇంకొద్దిగా lengthy question. Tan inverse of root x minus 1 dx. You see here. Tan inverse of root of x minus 1. So, under root value is root x minus 1. Let it be t square. Now, what about root x? Root x is equal to 1 plus t square. What about its derivative? 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to 2t dt. So, that is 1 by 2 into root x. Root x can be written as 1 plus 2 square. So, 2t dt dx. Now, dx is equal to 4 into t plus t cube. Okay. Now, the question becomes integral tan inverse of root of t square into dx. What about dx? 4 into t plus t cube dt. Now, 4 into tan inverse t into t plus t cube dt. Now, this will be the first function, this will be the second function. Process is same now. The first function into integral of second function. T square by 2 plus t power 4 by 4 minus integral of derivative of first one. 1 by 1 plus t square. Integral of second. T square by 2 t power 4 by 4 dt. ఇది సేమ్ కొద్దిగా దీన్ని జాగ్రత్త చేయండి. టీ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ తీసుకొని చేయడం వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ఎల్సిఎం హియర్ ఇస్ 4. సో దట్ ఈస్ 2t స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ t పవర్ 4 by 1 plus t square. Just to take t square common. So t square of 2 plus t square by 1 plus t square. That is t square of 2 plus t square. We can write 1 plus t square plus 1. Split చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ఇది చాలా లెంగ్తీ. ఇది కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్త చేయాలి. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ జాగ్రత్త చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకేనా? పాత్ర అనేది కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్త చేయండి. కంగారు లేదు మీకు. విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. Next model. This is a lengthy question, 7 marks in public examination, and we have to remember this formula. What I am going to say: integral e to the power of ax into sin bx dx. This is one of the good question. Maximum number of times objective model questions padutundar advanced level lo. You have to remember this one. Proof analysis is very important for both exams. E power ax into sin of bx. You see here, this is exponential and this is trigonometric function. Both are endless. Differentiation ఎన్నిసార్లు చేసినా అలా వస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. అందుకే మీకు హైలైట్ రాసినప్పుడు ఐఎల్ఏ టీ, ఆ టీ అనేది ఎలా అయినా షిఫ్ట్ చేసుకున్నా ఏ ఇబ్బంది ఉండదు. ఆ రెండు ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. సో లెట్ ఇట్ బి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ సెకండ్. ఏం చేసినా మీకు ఆన్సర్ అట్లాగే వస్తుంది. సో లెట్ ఇట్ బి ఐ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ what about integral sin dx? Cos dx by b minus integral of derivative of first one e into e power ax into a into minus cos bx by b dx. Okay, now minus e power ax by b of cos bx plus a by b of integral e power ax into cos bx dx. You see, again it is by parts. Of course, we have to continue. There is no alternate. So let it be again by parts. So ఎక్కడైనా ఏదైనా ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకొని చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో. ఓకే, బికాస్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఎండ్లెస్. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఎన్నిసార్లు చేసిన ఏది ఎండ్ అవ్వదు. సో మైనస్ ఈ పవర్ ax బై b cos bx ప్లస్ a బై b ఆఫ్ by parts. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first integral of second dx. Okay, now minus e power ax by b of cos bx plus a by b square e power ax into sin bx. Just multiply a minus a square by b square of e power ax into sin bx. ఇక్కడ బయట a by b ఉంది, a by b తో మొత్తాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. ఓకే, నౌ అగైన్ వి హావ్ బై పార్ట్స్ e power ax into sin bx. బట్ మళ్ళీ చేయగలం, కంగారు పడకండి. జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ద క్వశ్చన్ i. ఓకే, సో ఈ ప్లేస్ లో మనం ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి, i అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. జస్ట్ రైట్ ఇట్ i. Because I is equal to e power ax into sin bx. Now I is equal to minus e power ax by b. ఈ రెండింటిలోంచి e power ax కామన్ తీసేద్దాం, బెటర్ కదా మనకి. జస్ట్ టు టేక్ కామన్ e power ax, so that is e power ax by b square. Okay, e power ax by b square, so it has will come as minus b cos bx plus a sin bx by b square minus a square by b square of I. Okay na, రెండిట్లో b square LCM e power ax common. So I of 1 plus a square by b square is equal to e power ax by b square of a sin bx minus b cos bx. So that is I of a square plus b square by b square is equal to e power ax by b square of a sin bx minus b cos bx. So b square cancel. Now I is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square of a sin bx minus b cos bx plus a constant k. So you have to remember this formula. Integral e power ax into sin bx dx is equal to e to the power of ax by a square plus b square of a sin bx minus b cos bx plus a constant c or k, whatever it is. Okay, same model formula we can apply e power ax into cos bx. So integral e power ax into cos bx also you try yourself. మధ్యలో ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. The formula will be e power ax by a square plus b square a cos a sin bx, I think so, plus b cos bx plus a constant. Just verify. సార్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. టుమారో విల్ కంటిన్యూ. దీని మీద డిపెండ్ అయిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టుమారో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బై పార్ట్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఓకే గైస్, విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ టుమారో. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.